to the new shed, still getting set up, but starting the Ranger. Well, we've started the Ranger and we're back from Christmas, all that type of stuff. Anyway, I wanted to show you what we're going to do today. We're doing a genuine J-brace upgrade, which honestly bewilders me as to why it's not in the car when they build it. If you don't know what that is, the tubs require bracing. So I'll probably show you guys a little bit as we go, so you get a bit more of an idea of what's all about it. First things first, jack up your car. Put some axle stands underneath it, under there somewhere, and basically pull the wheels off so you can get access into here. Because these little doodads need to go pretty much up here. So in there, basically. And the idea for that is to then support doing something like this, or a load lid, or any form of top mount device. So that's just gone on. That's why we're putting these in now, to help support all that. But that's the idea of it, and Matt and I are going to do it.
Yeah, that we are.
So let's get into it and see, once we get in there, why exactly we need to do this. This is all the stuff that comes in the kit.
70 minutes installed.
Yeah, nice, look at that. The brackets, those two slide up brackets go kind of like up through the tub, and then there's a couple of rivets and clips and things like that that they give you to go back into the vehicle. I dare say these are the ones that come out of the trim liner, the actual wheel arch liner, and maybe they give you them because the old ones get damaged, possibly. That's nice of them. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put this in, so at least that way we get an idea for why it's needed, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's interesting. All right, let's go. All right, so for whatever reason, they've got hot rivets here, here, and on the front as well. So you got to drill them out to get this plastic inner guard out, so we can obviously get access to fit the braces. So, go on. This is the problem area, apparently. This whole thing here is where the bracket goes onto there. So that's like right in front of the tub. So interesting. We've actually got to cut out this little section here so that the bracket can go on properly, and then it goes in there. Take out these bolts, bang, bang, and it slides in here to support this area. So just, yeah, bewilders me as to why it wasn't built like that, but it's got to be a reason. Anyway, so there you go, J-brace fitted. So it does pick up these factory holes here, and then we've sloshed a little nutsert thing that comes in the kit up into here, and then obviously that bolt and that bolt pick up that. Genuine holes and everything. That's what I mean. I'm perplexed as to why they didn't do it firsthand. Anything I can think of is they've obviously found a weak point and they've fixed it with this. But when they first came out, they were like, you have to fit one of these. So they hadn't even gone to market, and they were talking about putting these in. So yeah, anyway, whatever. Fun times. Okay, back again. on the Ranger. Now today we left you with doing the J-brace because I added a roof racky doodad thing to the Utemaster, the cantilever roof rack is what they call it, to the Utemaster Canopy. We put the J-brace in, and as you can see we did flares as well. I haven't done the front because I do a bar coming for this, so we were in the rear and I was like, let's just do that while we're there. So flares are on the bum. These are going to obviously fill out more once we put wheels and tyres on, which are here. I have to fit them utilising these two machines. But today Matt is going to pull off the OG exhaust and put this one on from Manta. Thanks, Manta. Alright, so this is the original right here. It dumps there. So if you were wondering what it looks like, that's where the OG dumps. Which is a little bit abnormal, hey, Matt? Yeah. From most other four drives, I'd usually bring it through here and then dump it there-ish, but I kind of like the little shorty. Anyways, so that'll go, this will go all the way up to the DPF, which is DPF, right there. Look at that, isn't it just a piece of engineering? So this will literally unbolt here, and goodbye that back section of the exhaust. Hollow 3-inch, pretty sure it's 3-inch, sorry. My knowledge on the Manta ones is not up to scratch just yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like, and then second of all, hearing what it sounds like. Do you reckon it's going to sound any different, Matt?
Oh, maybe a little bit, not too different, I don't reckon.
I will show you the finished result and not the start result. That's a bit stupid, hey? I probably should show you the start result. Just do it now? Yeah. Alright, Matt's like, it's still on there, let's just do it. Okay, we're going to do it real quick and then we'll show you the after result once we're done that. I don't have a microphone on this GoPro, so I don't know how this is going to sound, but Matt will turn it on and we'll see how we go. It is running. Well, there you go, that's what it sounds like, and let's throw on the new one and see if it does any difference. That's how it sits, morning? Yeah. It's custom. There you go. The exhaust is on, and when we turn it on, we'll see if it made a difference. In noise, that is. Now, Bonnie, do you honestly think that exhausts on DPF vehicles make a difference?
Look, to be honest, it's one of those age-old things that, yes, you're letting more out, but the DPF is the restrictive part. But hey, I don't really know. I haven't done the proper testing. I don't have airflow meters and stuff like that to test it.
There is testing out there to say that they give you a percentage more, which is true.
Don't expect to be a race car.
No, but it definitely helps. Every little bit helps. So diesels, suck, push, blow. That's how they work. Air in, more air in, suck, squeeze, bang, blow, that's the one. More air in via a snorkel, more air out via good exhaust, helps efficiency, so I think they're worth it. I've done one on every single car I've actually owned, so definitely makes a difference, in my opinion.
Just don't buy a DPF car.
Ha ha ha. like you can't anymore, unfortunately. Or you buy old, which, you know, you just got to do if you got to do. All right, let's bring it down and we'll see if it sounds any different. That is very different from what it was before. Well, that's the Manta exhaust onto the V6 Turbos Dieseless Ranger. Alright, we're going to leave it at that. Come back to you when we do something else. Look at that.
Built Ford tough.